Holden Clough is located in the Ribble Valley. It used to be the kitchen garden for the main house of the village of Holden until 1927 when it was turned into an alpine nursery.
And that took it through until the mid-60s, and then it was in the 70s then the range of plants diversified, and here we are today growing pretty much anything that grows in the north.
We've got a fantastic team that we work alongside. It's my husband John and myself that run it. Obviously we've got 2 children now, so I'm not as hands-on as I used to be.
It's good to see the kids around the nursery because we like to let them run free, then they sleep well at night. I had exactly the same. I was a young lad running around here and now they're doing exactly the same as me.
Rose is starting to show an interest. She does know about 3 or 4 flowers at 4-year-olds, so Charlie's more interested in tractors at the moment, so we're working on his plant knowledge. So we have kept a lot of the original frames within the frame yards, which are now filled with a variety of perennials, all themed, so if you come shopping it makes it easier for you to make your choices. Make a conscious decision not to grow plants inside for the fact we want customers to be able to buy with confidence, know that it's grown in the conditions here that it will have in your garden, so it's not like you're going to buy something that's been grown in artificial conditions, perfect temperature, perfect condition, and then go in your garden and not do very well. So we are very conscious that everything will always be grown outside.
It's not just about us growing the plants, it's also trying to get you to succeed with the plants as well. So we offer a service where we'll happily meet up and look at your flower beds, and if you don't have flower beds we'll help tell you where they need to go, and we'll then design layouts for you, so whether you need 5 of this or 2 of that and where to position your plants. And we also guarantee everything to grow on the back of it, so it's making sure that you can then get the effect that you see, whether it be at the nursery or whether you see us down at Tatton, you can get that in your own garden. I've done Tatton now for over 20 years, and one of the things we like to do on the display is create layers in the planting. We like to show and demonstrate how you can use the different colours, so what you can pitch your oranges and your yellows and your reds against, and how you can use your purples and your whites and your blues. It's good to incorporate grasses into planting because that gives a very kind of natural and feel, and also the repetitive nature of planting leads your eye through flower beds, as opposed to just one of this and one of that. Repeating those choices can look really effective. I
really love the show time. It's obviously a busy time, but my main job is probably picking out all the show plants.
It's a bit of a break this year because we're not going to be judged. It's a chance to kind of spread our wings a little bit at the show, so we're looking forward to that. There is a lot of pressure involved because we're trying to time things and control nature and get those things in flower just at that right time, in that right condition, with no brown leaves, no insect holes, no wilting flowers. And that all kind of comes down to the kind of, you know, the skill of our job really. The first goal we got was back in 2011, and since 2013 we've been on a golden streak. We're best in show 3 times. We've certainly made our mark on Tatton. It's quite amazing how things have grown over the years. We started off in 2009 after taking it over from my dad, and we couldn't even afford the pay of 1 member of staff. And now here we are as a destination, a great place for a day out with the food, the plants, the retail, you know, a chance to wander outside and also undercover and be inspired. And you know, we get people from all over the country. Holden Clough's a well-known name, been going since 1927, coming up to our 100-year anniversary, and we've got a very good reputation, and it's something we look forward to growing and developing even more.